Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News.
Prosecutors in the case against Jah Cure are lobbying for an 8-year sentence against the reggae star, arguing that his alleged actions in the Netherlands amounted to a premeditated attempted murder. Verdict is expected to be delivered on March 22nd. The Prison Walls singer, whose real name is Siccaturie Alcock, appeared before the Netherlands court this morning to answer charges ranging from attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault, to attempted aggravated assault in relation to an alleged stabbing incident last year. The incident involved event promoter Nicardo Papa Blake on October 1st, 2021 at Dam Square in the city center of Amsterdam, where the singer was booked for a performance. He was arrested and has been in custody since October 2nd. Attorneys for the singer had previously stated that they would be putting forward a self-defense claim. However, during Tuesday morning's hearing, the prosecution questioned the credibility of this claim as the CCTV footage of the incident is inconclusive. In the closing statement, the prosecutor argued that Jah Cure deliberately sought the confrontation, evidenced through voice messages sent to the victim and people that he knew. One such message read, the prosecutor pointed out that Jah Cure told the police the victim pulled a knife out of his right pocket. The victim is left-handed and the suspect didn't know this, the prosecutor rebutted. The prosecutor further outlined the extent of the victim's injuries, revealing that the entertainer stabbed him in the stomach, causing massive loss of blood. They supported their case with evidence from witnesses at the scene of the alleged crime. According to a witness, just before the incident, Jah Cure said, and then made a stabbing motion. The witness didn't see a knife, but he saw the victim clutch his stomach. Another witness also saw the stabbing motion of the suspect. He didn't see a knife. To establish premeditation, the prosecutor argued the suspect picked up a knife before the meeting with the victim not to protect himself or wearing an expensive watch. The singer must have known that he was doing and that the victim could die. These are grave crimes that not only have consequences for the personal integrity of the victim, but also severely shaken the legal order. Because the victim is stabbed in broad daylight and the busy city center of Amsterdam, it evokes feelings of unsafety among the general public. There is no jury system in the Netherlands. In cases like this, trials are conducted by a panel of 3 judges. The judges, the prosecutor, and the defense attorney may ask the suspect a number of questions. Once the panel of judges is satisfied that they have sufficient information about the case, the presiding judge will ask the prosecutor to make a final closing statement. In 1998, Jah Cure was sentenced to 13 years in prison for raping and robbing a woman at gunpoint. He served 8 years, and during the last leg of his sentence, the singer's popularity skyrocketed following the release of his hit singles Longing For in 2005 and Love Is in 2005, which he recently admitted were recorded illegally. His 2015 album The Cure earned him a Grammy Award nomination for Best Reggae Album that year. Last September, before his arrest, he had announced that he was adding the final touches to a new album titled Undeniable. Thank you for watching.